Makeup deals that go viral online can be tempting, but before you buy from viralaluna.com, let's find out if this fashion beauty shop is legit or just another risky fake store. So viralaluna.com markets itself as a trendy beauty and makeup store with foundations, palettes, eyeliners, vegan and cruelty-free skincare. And bold claims like SPF 50 protection, dermatologist-tested formulas, and suitability for sensitive skin. Everything is shown with big discounts and promises of thousands of happy customers. Here's why the site might look appealing. Clean, modern design with professional product photos. Uses secure HTTPS encryption with product checkout info. Typical e-commerce setup with product listings and cart. Looks like a normal store. Those basics are expected, but they don't prove the store is trustworthy on their own. Now the warning signs. It's a very new domain. Viralaluna was registered just recently, which means no history or track record yet. No verified customer reviews on third-party platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or makeup forums, despite thousands of happy customers' claims. That's a big red flag. Security analysis tools rate the site's trust very low and flag it as high risk or suspicious, often seen with short-term hype shops. Brand transparency is missing. No clear company info, physical address, or independent certifications from dermatologists or SPF claims. All of these add up to high risk for buyers looking to shop safely. So is Viralaluna a real makeup store? At best, it's unproven and high risk. There's no solid evidence it's an established, trustworthy beauty retailer, and multiple risk signals suggest you should avoid buying until there are verified customer reviews and clear brand transparency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.